Hello everyone, welcome to Lanka Aviator. As you may have noticed, we have been improving the Lanka Aviator website to make it easier for our users to access and navigate. This is our homepage when accessed from a desktop. You can log in to our website to like and comment on our forum posts. To log in, please click the login button in the top right corner. If you haven't registered yet, you can also sign up there. On the banner, you can see the latest highlights in Sri Lankan aviation. You can also check out the What's New in Aviation section, or jump directly to any topic that interests you. Alternatively, you can click on Latest Discussions to see a summary of recent posts from our forum members. If you click on the Flight Operations Analysis Report, you will find passenger flight operation statistics for Colombo Bandaranaike International Airport. You can find Sri Lankan Airlines fleet information on this page, which you can filter however you like. We also have information about the airlines that fly to Colombo Bandaranaike International Airport. Here, you can use the filter and search buttons to find the information you need easily. By clicking on flight information, you can access details about the passenger flights operating out of Colombo Bandaranaike International Airport. Thank you for watching our video, and enjoy your time on the Lanka Aviator website. Please feel free to contact us if you need any assistance.